Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're looking good today. It's beautiful outside, 71 degrees and sunny. Who do we have first in the chat? We got, Peter first in the chat. What's going on? Peter, Frank, No Toast, Dark Bro, No Toast, Frank, Peter, Dark Bro, Next Level, Peter, Claudio, Hola, Claudio. We've got Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Claudio, Peter, Claudio. We've got Dark Bro, Claudio, Kombu, Robert. We got Gorilla, Peter, Dark Bro, Peter, Robert, Kombu, Dark Bro, Peter, Kombu, Next Level, Dark Bro, Claudio, Peter, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Next Level, Claudio, Kombu, Next Level, Gorilla, Kombu, Old Rounder, Claudio, and Lonnie, Pudgy, Chris, all of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Lawnmower, hopefully I'm messing with the lawnmower in between the live streams. Pudgy didn't do anything with it this morning, was doing some videos, getting ready for the stream here, and feeding some chipmunks this morning. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $8.50 right now, $8.49 right now. Shiba Inu coin, top right of the screen, sitting at $1.08. If one day Shiba Inu coin reaches $1, it's going to be nice, but no, it's sitting 1.08% lower today. 733 points per coin. GameStop sitting at $17.72. Mullen Auto, 56, almost 57 cents a share. The NASDAQ bouncing around, guys, sitting 0.09% lower. I believe the NASDAQ and a lot of these stocks and cryptos are going to be anticipating the Federal Reserve interest rate decision today. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. AMC, 845 cents. 845 cents. GameStop sitting at $17.73. Dogecoin, 6.2 cents. Ethereum sitting at $16.29. Shiba Inu coin, $7.33. Bitcoin, $27,190. The SPY sitting at $4.43. QQQ, $3.69. We got Mullen Auto sitting at 56 cents. Sundial sitting at $2. We've got Netflix, $393. Highcroft Mining, 33 cents. MPW below $6. This is, I think, the lowest it's been. Yeah. MPW, the lowest it's been since, wow, man, 2016. That is crazy. Prior to that, you know, you got to go all the way back to like 2011, man. 2012. MPW is looking pretty cheap right now, guys. MPW is looking pretty cheap on the long term. And MPW's got a good dividend as well. MPW paying what at these levels? If it continues to pay, man, it's paying a 10-cent dividend. Chris, if you're in here, do you still have? Did you get MPW or did you get ARR? Where's ARR at? 20% dividend over here, $4.85. Man, ARR came all the way down to $4.50. That wouldn't have been too bad right there. But 8-cent dividend. Yep, 8 cents, 8 cents. Continue to pay its 8-cent dividend, man. ARR not looking too bad there. Pretty sure Chris has ARR. I don't know if he's got MPW, but nonetheless, come back down here on the minute chart. Tesla sitting at $267.06 right now. We've got Joby sitting at $676 and TMC sitting down 5% to $1.07. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Clay, I was thinking about getting Polygon and Ethereum, but I saw a guy say that they are on the same segment and that is not wise to buy two coins on the same segment. Is that true? Well, Claudio, I'm not exactly sure what he means by segment. He could mean that Polygon is essentially just a layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum. So I wouldn't really consider Polygon and Ethereum, you know, on the same level. Polygon or Matic is a layer 2 blockchain. And yes, it is built on the Ethereum network, but so are essentially every other coin out there. I mean, everything is either going to be an Ethereum token or like a Binance Smart Chain token. So I wouldn't necessarily consider that not smart. Now, I think what he might have been intending to say is that you are going to be potentially slightly less diversified if you're buying two Ethereum tokens there. Theoretically, if something ever happened to Ethereum, Polygon could be affected as well. So this guy might be saying maybe go out, just buy a bunch of different layer 1 blockchain coins. That might be this guy's intentions. I don't necessarily agree with it down to that like crucial of a factor that Ethereum is the same as Polygon. I wouldn't agree with that. But I think his intentions might have been saying diversify between different layer 1 blockchains there. And since Polygon is a layer 2 of Ethereum, then that might be what he was intending there. Darko said, oh, okay, still have AR. Chris, dude, you're going to be, listen, if you keep it, man, you're going to be hitting 8 cents a share for the rest of your life if they keep that up. I mean, that's theoretically not that bad at a 20% annualized rate. Darko says, okay, so I learned something of interest here today. The XRP that you can get on Wallet, except for Trust Wallet, so MetaMask and such, is only a pig version. The actual XRP network version is only available directly through exchanges. Very interesting, Dark Bro. That I did not actually know. So, Dark Bro, shedding some light in a dark area. I see what you're doing there, Dark. Let's see. Giovan, bro. We see ya. Got pocket blocked yesterday. Yeah, Giovanni, am I coming through today? Yes, you are. Giovanni, I do see you there. Sorry if I missed your chat a minute ago. Why, if Jerome Powell says nothing changes, will the markets go up today? So, Giovanni, that would essentially be confirmation of analysts' expectations. So, when analysts are expecting no changes, the interest rate decision in and of itself for no change is going to be good because it doesn't mean that money is going to get more expensive, right? Now, we're at this point in time where we know that lower interest rates is going to be better for a bull market scenario. It means you're going to be able to borrow money cheaper, theoretically going out and spending and stimulating the economy even better, or you can look at it in terms of investments. If you can earn, 5% on bonds or 7% in the S&P 500 average, you're probably going to get to take the guaranteed 5% return as opposed to risking it for a 7% return. Now, if interest rates fall all the way back down where they're supposed to be and you can earn 0.5% on bonds or 7% on the average S&P 500 return, yeah, at that point, because it's 14 times higher, you're going to be risking it on the S&P 500. So lower interest rates are going to be better for investments. If they remain the same, they didn't get worse. That's the positive way to look at it there. See the article and watch a Guru Shiba Inu. Stopping Shib from reaching 1 cent and $1. Explain Vin. No. I did not see that article. I did not see that article this morning. Let's see here. Rest in peace, Shib Trash. Malone, you've been calling Shib Trash for a long time, though. Claudio, didn't lose any money? Good. MPW cut its dividend from 30 cents to 15 cents to 10 cents. If it hits $5, $5.50 per share, I'd be preparing for another dividend cut. Nobody likes that, man. Nobody likes MPW coming down here and cutting dividends. Where are we at? The dividend per share here, 60 cents on a quarterly basis. They would say that is 15 cents a quarter. So they did cut to, the next one's going to be 10. It's essentially a 40-cent dividend. Gotcha. Well, the yield at 15 cents would still be 10%. So, dude, cutting dividends are still paying pretty well, though. They're just not paying as well as Weeble showing there. Frank, man, thanks for keeping up to date on the dividend payments from MPW. Polygon, Chainlink, or XRP. Which one could do 10x or 100x? I highly doubt that Polygon is going to be able to 100x. XRP 100xing, that's going to be difficult too, man. Theoretically not impossible, because I do believe that XRP will be at those $1 trillion levels one day. 100x gain would take it to, I believe, a $2.8 trillion valuation from right here. So years and years and years down the road, I don't think that that's impossible for Ripple to have a $2 to $3 trillion valuation. So I think that's a possibility, yes. Chainlink I have not looked at in a very long time. So let's take a look at Chainlink real quick. I was holding the BEP20 XRP, but as soon as it was relisted, I converted it over in exchange for actual XRP. Very nicely done. I believe that was no, don't want to do that. Notos. Let's see. Chainlink is what we're looking at. I don't think that Chainlink is going to 100x, man. Chainlink sitting on a $3.8 billion market cap right now. That would take it to a... I mean, that would still be theoretically lower than XRP, right? No, it would be a $380 billion market cap. Yeah. So I don't know enough about Chainlink to really say why it would justify a $380 billion valuation. I mean, it could basically 10x, almost 10x, to get back up to its all-time highs. I don't know if it would, but look at these gains, man. Look at these gains in the previous bull market. Chainlink going from 20 cents a coin back in 2018 to $50 a coin. Oh my God, it was a 200x increase. People made so much money in the last bull run, it's not even funny. Hey Clay, how long till the Fed announcement? I tuned in late, different time zone. Robbie, 2 hours. 2 hours. So in 2 hours, you got the interest rate decision, and then in 2 hours, it's actually an hour and 45 minutes. And then in an hour and, 18 minutes? Hour and 18 minutes. 2 hours and 18 minutes. My gosh. 2 hours and 18 minutes, you've got the press conference in 2 hours and 18 minutes. So, with how the markets flow over the years, what do you think the market cap for the next bull run will be, Clay? No toast. So, I don't think that it's going to be a similar progression from the previous that we've previously seen. Because we were starting with such low market caps throughout the first couple bull runs, it was able to exponentially move higher. You know, you hit a couple $1 billion market cap, and then you hit a couple $100 billion market cap, and then in 2021 you hit a $3 trillion market cap. I don't think that we're going to be able to, 10, 100x during the next bull market. I don't think we're going to see crypto be worth as much as the stock market during the next bull market. So I certainly don't expect the overall market to reach like 30, 40, 50 trillion dollar valuations in the next bull run. I actually expect it to be a little less exciting in terms of overall market growth, because we're maturing, right? There's only so much money out there. I do believe, however, $5 trillion, if things get crazy, I don't think that $10 trillion would be crazy. I think that would be achievable there. So looking at, that's my ideal range, is between 5 and 10. I think anywhere between 3 and 5 would still be excellent. I would just want to see a peak above that 3, above the all-time high market cap to continue signaling growth. Outdoor Smile! Yes, Outdoor Smile. This is my trophy right here. Thank you! I don't even, what does the little samurai noise make? Thank you! Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for my trophy. Literally, thank you very much, Outdoor Smile, for this trophy right here. Thank you very much. I've got my trophy. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile. Absolutely appreciate that, man. I really don't know what kind of a sound a samurai would make there, man. Thank you very much. And I hope you guys do know, man. Outdoor Smile sent me this sick trophy right here. Absolutely love it. I mean, look at this bad boy. This is amazing. The detail on this thing is absolutely incredible right here. We got our Wall Street silver coin, and on this side, we've got the little Wall Street dude in his yacht right there with GameStop, AMC, HODL, Diamond Hands, all of that stuff. That everybody, I mean, it's a part of my life now, dude. It really is. So, Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you, and I do like that one right there. A beautiful little samurai guy. Nice, Outdoor Smile. Woohoo, Outdoor Smile. Heck yeah. Whoa, Outdoor Smile coming in hot, bro. Oh, yes. I love it. Outdoor, thank you very much, man. Clay, bro, any thoughts on AMDY? Is this another one that I have not seen yet? Yield max AMD options income. Well, I do have my thoughts on this one. Yes, I love to see that it's coming out of this $20 price range right here. And after a few months, I know this bad boy is going to be trading down in the $15 price range after those dividend distributions come to be. Look, I would add it. I would add it to your portfolio if you want to continue diversifying between all of these yield max ETFs. I truly do not like the name yield max for these ETFs, though. It is psychologically lying to you. Your yield is not what they claim your yield to be. I do not like the name of these ETFs anymore. The actual yield is very, very low. It's actually lower than it would be if you just went out and bought the stock yourself. Let's see. Someone got a crush. Yes, Mr. Munchkin. It's all right to have a crush, and I have a crush on Outdoor Smile for sending that beautiful super chat right there. Hello, fam. What's going on, JB? How you doing? Hurrah! Check out my XRP transaction speed comment above. Dark Pro says, okay, so just to show how fast the Ripple network is, I just pressed send on my XRP that I'm holding on Coinbase to my wallet, and within 1.5 seconds, it was there. Dang, dude. Yeah, that is actually really fast, Dark Bro. That is really fast. I don't know if you had it timed with a stopwatch or not to know it was exactly 1.5 seconds, but that's the kind of crazy stuff that you don't expect to see with banks and normal fiat transfers. 1.5 seconds, man. That is crazy fast. And Dark Bro, man, it certainly goes to he did have a stopwatch. Nice, Dark Bro. And imagine, your technology was probably too slow to actually keep up with the transaction there. So by the time your phone got notified that the transaction showed up, dude, it may have already been there for a whole second. You got to think about that, too. I am thinking Sharby could be the Shib of the next bull run. Not financial advice. That's just me. Don't hold any. You know what? Anything. Next level, man. Next level. Anything could be the next Shiba Inu coin. I truly believe that. It could be a stupid little, magic 8-ball meme. It could be the green blob meme. It's just whatever people are buying and whatever they're willing to hold through those initial sell-offs and watch the price take off. I don't think it has to be reminiscent of any sort of a cartoon character, a dog, or anything like that. Let's see here. That's what I was like. Holy smokes, man. Yeah, that is fast, dude. He's got a crush on Outdoor Smile, man. Sending me those super chats. I like it. Combo! Thank you very much for the member chat. For all my bros and broettes, we got ourselves a combo, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. One more month, and Kombu is going to be reaching that diamond bro right there. A 1-year anniversary coming up. Kombu, man, I love it. Dark Bro, why did you have to crush Clay Bro's soul this last week? Because you never take it easy on anybody else. That's why. Never take it easy. I don't want you guys to take it easy on me in fantasy football. I don't want you to take it easy on me in here. But I will win one of these games. I promise you, I am going to win one of these weeks. I just need to look at my lineup because Moji told me that I had somebody else that was injured on there. Claudio, don't let my love for XRP influence you always. Do your own research. Absolutely. T2024, the next Shiba Inu coin. Let's see where it's at today, Malcolm. Let's see where it's at today. I haven't looked at T2024 at all today. Where are we? Doesn't show up down there. We gotta look it up. Ooh, back down a little bit. Sitting down here at 6 points per coin over the last couple of days, basically giving back all of those gains that it had. Stagnation seems to be setting in. But dude, that doesn't mean that if we get back down in these levels right here, that doesn't mean that things couldn't take off. and it could see a second sign of life. So sitting at 6 points per coin right now. T2024 back down to a $500,000 market cap after touching, where was it, like a $2-3 million market cap a couple of days ago. T2024 coming back down a little bit, but you are right, it could be the next one. So what's to do with BlackRock? If it buy millions of Bitcoin, how will it affect the crypto market, mainly Shiba Inu? So I view it this way. If BlackRock comes in and buys millions of Bitcoin, or maybe billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, the institutional inflow isn't going to have a direct response to Shiba Inu coin. It's not directly going to increase the price, but indirectly, if institutions are buying, retail investors are going to see that. They're going to say, all right, these guys are now confident in the crypto market. They're willing to buy. I'm willing to buy. And they're going to start pouring in. Now, Bitcoin, great. If Bitcoin's going up, typically confidence increases and people are willing to go in and buy a lot of altcoins, which will theoretically make Shiba Inu coin go higher. If Ethereum begins to move higher, the liquidity pools for Shiba Inu coin are going to increase in value, and that is going to have a direct correlation, or a direct, price increase on Shiba Inu coin. Now, I think over the long term, however, what we're going to see is the initial inflow into Bitcoin, initial institutions buying into Bitcoin, having a confidence boosting effect, and therefore retail buying into the altcoins. I think it'll get crazy when institutions, BlackRock and so on, begin to create these altcoin ETFs or meme coin ETFs, and they go out and they stack up on Shib, Doge, baby Shib, baby Doge, whatever meme coin you got out there. And then when the institutions get involved with meme coin investing or altcoin investing, I think it's going to blow it through the roof, man. There's just going to be too much money to maintain the current prices that we have right now. I'm hearing more and more about Wall Street memes. I think it's the next big meme coin, common 1000X for me. They have been busy with a lot of stuff. Robbie, that's possible, man. But I would truly be skeptical of that initial release. I think a lot of the people are going to be taking their profits as soon as it becomes public. As soon as it becomes public, I think it's going to go down. But after that, I think people might be able to jump in and so on. Ape is very disappointing, but I will buy back in at $1. Yeah, Ape's been doing nothing but coming down basically since its launch there. But it's a very interesting point in time, because I said that I would buy Ape at $1, and I don't know where it's at right now. But let's see if we can get it out on CoinMarketCap here. I said I would buy ApeCoin at $1, and it's approaching that level. I just don't know if it's time to buy ApeCoin at $1 or not. It has basically done nothing but come down after its introduction out here, going up to, it says 22. We will have it, I think, at 27. Sitting at $1.11 right now. It says its all-time release, it's up 11%. That's obviously incorrect because it was released, I believe, at $10 a coin. So ApeCoin sitting down here at $1.11. Yeah, if you guys want to load back up onto that, load back up onto it at any point in time. Just know that it's probably going to be correlated to the success of Yuga Labs. There is $28 million. That's a lot of money, dude. That's as much money as Meet Kevin raised for his house hack. Claudio, easy way to do it. Go to CoinMarketCap, copy and paste the token address into your wallet to swap or whatever for the coin you're after. And yeah, Claudio, if you want to do that, all you have to do is come down here, and this is the address. You copy it right here. I don't know if it says copy to clipboard on the screen, but you copy the address right here, and then you can paste it anywhere. You can also do this on your phone. So if you're looking at CoinMarketCap on your phone, just look at contracts and then copy this contract right here, this Ethereum address, whatever decentralized exchange that you're trying to purchase a crypto from. How's that T2024 coin doing? JB, back down, man. 600 points per, or 6 points per coin or whatever, compared to the 30 points per coin that it was at T2024, sitting at 6 points per coin, down 38% on the day today. And you can see from the 7-day, that initial rally that it had right there, coming back down at these levels. Guys, I would expect that we go back and at least test this area in here at 1 point per coin. I still think you got like a 90% decline ahead of you, because there's no support. So just be aware. It is on the map now, absolutely. But people couldn't hold. People couldn't hold. If this rally would have sustained itself, if people just didn't sell off with those 10, 20x gains, we could be talking about 2,000x gains right now. That's the whole point, man. That's how you find the next Shiba Inu coin. And that's, that's what I want to point out there. T2024 could have done it. Absolutely. But people sold. Let's see. Kevin, market cap, go to my wallet. Unless you have MEXC Global in Brazil, Claudio, if you can download, I know you can download it, but I don't know if you can use it. So if you're allowed to use MEXC Global in Brazil, it's the same exact thing as Coinbase. You can go in there, create an account, and buy T2024 coin. It's really possible that institutions like BlackRock would get into meme coins like Doge or Shib. Yes. Yes, it is possible. So if the cryptocurrency market becomes more regulated, right, and these guys know that they're not going to get in trouble by the SEC or whatever, these guys are like sharks, man. And retail investors are like blood in the water, okay? Anything that they can sell you, they are going to sell it to you. Use yield max ETFs as an example. Dude, yield max ETFs are literally being marketed to you as having a 50% annualized dividend. Utter nonsense. The dividend is literally zero. They're just redistributing your cash to you. I think that's going to... I truly think that these yield max and max yield ETFs that these guys have coming out right now, I think that those are going to be shut down as soon as the SEC gets its head out of its where with crypto and begins focusing on actual things. That's a straight lie that the dividend is 40-50% on yield max ETFs. There's no yield whatsoever on those ETFs. But Tidal, or whoever's in charge of these yield max ETFs, is charging a 1% maintenance fee. They're charging you 1% of all assets under management. So they don't care if they're generating any revenue or not. They're making their 1%. Same deal is going to be for Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, meme coin ETFs, altcoin ETFs, and so on. If they're allowed, they will present that ETF to you. They might charge you a 1% fee in order to buy it, but people are going to be willing to buy it because it's in front of them. So, yeah, I do think that we see that one day. All good, all good, all God's plan, my guy. All God's, all good, something like that, maybe. JB, you see my question and setting up a channel in the Discord. Oh, what's your language, JB? Yeah, something about it. Don't say the T word. Put me in timeout. Don't do it, man. I will buy more ApeCoin and just hold it in my wallet this time, and we'll get that money back in the future. Next level, very nice, man. Especially if it goes from $1 back up to $20. Downloaded the MEXC. Yeah, so I know you can download it. If you can create an account there, if they allow you to trade in Brazil, then you'll be able to buy into any of those coins. So we can use MEXC in America. According to Kombu, you can. Next level. I already deleted it off my phone, but it told me that my IP address, they do not offer services to my IP address, and the exact same thing that they told me on KuCoin. So... unless you're using a VPN, or if Kombu knows how to do it otherwise, I could not do it. Now, I did not try to deposit anything, because I didn't theoretically want to get in trouble for depositing on MEXC there. I don't know. I couldn't use it. I couldn't use it. You mentioned the Shib community could vote on raising the transaction fee. If true, how do we go about doing that? So, Jason, that is very interesting. So, theoretically, once the doggy DAO is available, once Satoshi essentially rides off into the sunset, and sets up this doggy DAO to receive votes, what would happen then is anybody who is staking Bone with a validator can go out there and vote on governance proposals. The very strange thing, the feeling I have about it, is that all of the current validators, it's probably all just Satoshi and his friends, okay? You had to be personally approved by Satoshi to become a validator for Shibarium. Clearly, if Satoshi is approving everybody, how decentralized does that sound to you? It's probably him and his buddies that are validating the transactions on Shibarium, and therefore they will control the vote. Anything that is voted in the doggy DAO. Now, let's say that my conspiracy theory is incorrect here, and these truly are decentralized validators. If that's the case, anybody delegating would simply, bring a proposal up. The entire community would vote on it. And at that point, if the entire community votes in favor of increasing the base fees or somehow adding another fee or contributing to a burn pool or something like that in a different way than is currently done, the developers would have to go out there and they would develop and increase the base fee at that point. I really don't think that Shibarium is decentralized. Okay, I think it's Satoshi and his friends that are the validators, but that's the process that you go about. Extremely similar to Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic validators right now, anybody can go out there and issue a proposal, and all of the validators and delegators can go in there and vote on those proposals. They can vote to abstain, they can vote yes, they can vote no, they can no with veto. But that's the way that it would work if the doggy DAO was currently up and running. Oh, you know what the fee was for using Ripple? You're gonna love this. Nothing. Nice. Dark, bro. That's even cheaper than Shibarium, man. Hey, bro, on your rampage, you forgot to clap what? Clapping cheeks on Mullen. Well, I should have done that because Mullen is absolutely plagued. And Mullen's back down into the 50s, probably going to be touching new all-time lows pretty soon. I want to be like Outdoor Smile. Just come in the door, throw some money around, and leave. Outdoor Smile, are you even outdoors right now? Are you even out there, outdoor? Are you even out there? I bought half share this morning of AMDY. It's a tracking position. Long-term and time portfolio or positions with dividends have full shares. No dividend yet is half share for tracking. Very nice, Frank. Frank tracking that price right there. Yeah, dude, it is. I think you're going to be tracking it lower and lower and lower. Unless, of course, AMD outpaces like 5% a month because the distributions typically look as to be between like 3 and 5% per month. So if AMD continues to rise above like 5% a month, the graph's going to still look very good. If we get good news today from Powell, do you think it will start a very slow and steady bull market? Well, okay. Yeah, Giovanni, I actually think that we could, already be in the slow and steady phase, right? I think that with the markets, the stock markets kind of bottoming out towards the end of 2022, and the crypto markets kind of bottoming out towards the end of 2022, everything has risen nicely over 2023 so far. You can see that Bitcoin up from about 16,000 to its current prices, right? That's a good, this blue line kind of shows you, but that's a good gain in 2023 so far for Bitcoin. If you look at the NASDAQ, same deal, man. It's following this ascending green line right here, and we've been doing very nice to move higher throughout 2023. So I do think that it is a possibility that we have already bottomed, and we already might be moving higher. Now, I absolutely think that if Jerome Powell brings us good news today, that we could see the bull market continue. Why? If inflation rates truly have plateaued and interest rates truly have plateaued, that is all we need to see for this economy to begin recovering. Once they start lowering interest rate, boom, bang, pow, man. It is going to be very nice for prices in both stocks and crypto. We need to see those interest rates coming down. Money DLT! Thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, Clay, what's up, Money? Can you check out Bullfrog? Absolutely. Real early, but they already have an amazing game. Call of Meme. If you liked Halo 3 or Modern Warfare 2, you might like it. Bullfrog on CoinGecko. Money DLT. I want to say this to you. Thank you very much. Money, I truly would. You guys, they know it in here. I would truly pull up Bullfrog without a super chat. No problem whatsoever looking at any of these new coins and anything like that. But, dude, I mean, I like your profile picture right there. Clearly, it seems like you're involved with Bullfrog in some sort of a way. So thank you very much for using a super chat to come in here and potentially look at the project that you're either in or working with. I have to say that's awesome, man. So thank you very much for that. Let's check out CoinGecko here and see. I think I got it up, but I gotta make sure. Actually, I don't know if CoinGecko's up. All right. Where are we at here? Verify that I'm a human? Yeah, I'm a human. What the heck are you talking about? Am I a human? Of course I'm a human. Not Bullfrog. Bullfrog, man. Hey, which one is it? This one? Just want to double check and see if it's this one. Bullfrog. Real early, but they've already gotten an amazing game. All right, just Money DLT. Let's double check and make sure it's this one before we start going over it, and then we'll absolutely look at it. Money DLT, thank you very much again. Please let me know if it's the one, if it's the correct one we're looking at. Work. Thank goodness for bathroom breaks. Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Moji. Everybody knows that Moji's in the bathroom right now. Nice. Greetings from Miami. What do you think about XRP? Julio, I like XRP. Julio, is it Julio or Julio, man? We talking like Central American descent here, or we got South American? What are we going on? Is it Julio or Julio? Anyway, I like XRP, man. I do. I think that Ripple is going to be a successful company. But we're looking at Money DLT's Bullfrog right now, and he says, yeah, it's that one. All right, guys, let's take a look at Bullfrog. Way too many zeros. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros and a 2. Very, very low. We've got fully diluted valuation of only 200,000. So this dude is absolutely right that this is still very early on Bullfrog here. Now, Money DLT, man, I hope you do know that I can't tell anybody to buy this coin or anything like that. But if you guys want to buy this coin, Money DLT, you might be better off. I don't exactly know too much on CoinGecko where they show you. Oh, okay, so here we go. You can only get it right now on Uniswap. So if you guys are looking to get Bullfrog, you can only get it on Uniswap right now. And, I mean, that's okay. They don't have any centralized exchange listings. If they do get some centralized exchange listings, I'm sure you'll see a pop in this price. Typically, when things get listed on some centralized exchanges, you see the price begin to move higher. So I like the fact that it is still very early. It's only on decentralized exchanges. But the overall graph, what are we working with here? September 8th, been out about 2 weeks right now, and has gone from probably 9 zeros and a 4, dropped off to 9 zeros and a 2.5, bounced up nicely, doubled in price, come back down, and you guys can see the daily volume here is still pretty low. It's only trading back and forth between like $20,000 and $40,000 a day. So that's actually not too bad right there. This day here, extremely low volume with $1,000 volume and then $2,000 volume taking place over the last 24 hours at these levels. Here's what you want to be concerned about. A coin this new, if it doesn't get the traction that it needs, it could very well fall off. But the fact that Bullfrog's coming in here, these guys might be trying to market it. They might be trying to get people interested in it. And if you've got price action that, allows you to double your money on simply $49,000 being traded, Imagine if you hit a day like, T2024 coin here, where you got $10 million in volume. If it increases 2x on 50,000, this would be like $1 million would be a 20x increase in volume. 10 million would be a 200x increase in volume. So it could very easily jump up on small amounts of volume if people go in there and begin buying. But Money DLT is absolutely right, guys. It is very low. It is very early. Market cap is tiny right now. I believe it fits right into Dark Bro's alley. So Dark Bro is going to be adding onto his portfolio during or in between the live streams today. Money DLT. If you got any additional information you would like to share about Bullfrog there, please let us know, man. I absolutely appreciate that super chat coming in like that. I'll talk about any and every coin that you guys want to do, especially if you send it over in a super chat like that one. So if you got anything else you want to bring to our attention, please bring it to our attention, man. Only in your mind, Mr. Bree. Now do something with your fantasy football team. Do it. How do we know you're not a cyborg plant from the future that actually has all of the answers? I don't know how we know that of anybody, Wrath Wizard. I truly don't. I guess if I had all the answers, I should probably implement them a little bit better into my own life. And it doesn't seem that I do that on a 100% basis. I don't make all of the right decisions, and I don't have all of the right answers for everything. I wish I did, man. I wish I did. But right now, all I know is indubitably. Thank you very much for the fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Indubitably. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. You guys getting those fist bumps out there, man. I love it. Thank you very much. Play the game Call of Meme when you get a chance. Money DLT. Where do I play it? I'm not a huge gamer, okay? I actually bought a Nintendo Switch so that I could practice and beat my nephew at Super Smash Brothers. But that's the last time I have played a game, literally since Black Ops and Modern Warfare on PlayStation 3. That's the last game that I've had. I don't know how to play games, and I wouldn't know where to play Call of Meme on the Bullfrog website. All right, so if you guys want the Bullfrog website, you guys can check out the websites right here as well. Right here, so bullfrogcoin.com right there. If you guys want to check it out, Bullfrog remaking it. Ooh, he looks mean. All right, we'll take that. Bullfrog looks mean right there. So yeah, if you want to go check out Call a Meme right here, you guys can play it. I'm not going to play it on the stream, dude. I'm not going to do anything like that. You got Call a Meme, you got Flappy Frog, you got Crypto Crush, Meme Cart, Crypto Uno, Super Meme World 3D. Well, that's not bad, man. I don't know. So if you guys do want to waste some time gaming and doing some of that stuff, it seems like those games could be fun. Now, I also don't know if this dude just hacked my computer or anything, so be very careful if you're attaching wallets and anything like that. Money DLT, man. I gotta say stuff. I'm sure you guys have good intentions and nobody's doing anything like that, but they just want to bring that to people's attention because, like I said, it's the first time you come in here. I haven't heard anything bad about Bullfrog. I haven't heard anything at all about Bullfrog, but just obviously disclaiming. Let's see. If I get a token on Uniswap in a DeFi wallet and transfer to my wallet, how do I sell them? So the same way you buy them, right? Claudio, if you have money in your Coinbase wallet and you attach your Coinbase wallet to Uniswap, Uniswap is going to know what coins you have in your wallet. At that point, what you do is, let's say you've got some Ethereum in your wallet, and you attach your wallet to Uniswap. You simply swap your Ethereum for T2024 coin or Bullfrog coin. And then if you want to sell your Bullfrog coin, you simply swap your Bullfrog coin. Uniswap's going to know you have it in your wallet, so you simply go out there, select it, and then you would swap it back for Ethereum at that point. Now, if you truly want to sell it, if you want to sell it out for Brazilian reais, you've got to swap it back out for something like Ethereum and then send that Ethereum back to your Coinbase wallet where you would be able to sell it back for Brazilian reais on your Coinbase wallet. So Uniswap just essentially lets you swap coins. You can trade those coins. You can't necessarily cash them out on Uniswap. You have to do that on a centralized exchange like Coinbase. And if you got any more questions, man, please ask. Bro Dow has nothing good to offer me in my 24 months of following. Who needs a blue wrench? Bro Dow is going to be the most amazing thing that you have ever seen in your entire life. Clay, I'm adding you if you have a Nintendo subscription so we can play Smash Bros. I don't have anything online yet, but I do plan on getting that at some point. So, I mean, yeah, you guys can add me if I do end up getting the Nintendo Online or whatever it's called. And then me, after I get some more practice in, me and my nephew, we can womp on you and your kids or anybody else. You know, you and Dark Bro can play together, JB, and we can womp on you guys in some Super Smash Brothers. But yeah, I don't have it just yet, but you can add me whenever I do get it. He hasn't come around in a while. Batman. Who we talking about there? I missed it. Devil's Advocate. Oh yeah, I haven't seen Devil's Advocate in quite some time, man. I haven't seen him in quite some time. I don't know where he's at. Hope he's doing okay. Shitoshi is more than welcome to come by and sell their differences. Yeah, Shitoshi is a control freak who doesn't own Shib. Shitoshi and his peons are only milking the community. So I'll do my own thing with Shib if Shitoshi doesn't like it. Exactly, Pudgy. Yeah, I mean, that's the attitude people should have. Cool, now I understand. I have to swap Ethereum for the coin I want. Then if I want to sell the coin, I swap to one I can sell on exchange. Yes, exactly. Is that the Menchie, Claudio? Very well understood. Hey, I backed up the truck on XRP yesterday. I would gladly take a 10x here. I hope it's ready to run. Old rounder. Where are we at with XRP? I would like to see us all make some money too. Let's see what we've got. 51 cents. Hey man, the good news is you've been sitting on a nice steady level of support right here for quite some time. After the little SEC loss and the XRP win right here, where it jumped up to 90 cents. Dude, here's what I like actually. Trading View. Let's see what we got on the daily. We might have to pull it out to a weekly or something. But no, you're good here. You're good. Look at this. That's actually looking pretty good. Now, that is from the end of 2022. Okay? If we truly did bottom at the end of 2022 in the crypto space, like we just talked about a minute ago, we have been hitting these higher lows perfectly. Now, I have to point out that you can see we might be, let's get a horizontal line. You know, you might be wedging, right? You've got major resistance in this like 55 cent area right here. Resistance back here in 2020. Resistance in 2020. Major support in 2021. Major support in 2022. Finally broke through it. Resistance. So we might not see the, gosh, wish it was a little easier. We might not see this wedge actually get broken until January of 2024. So we may continue to wedge it with XRP if this current technical analysis holds up. Now, I'll say this, okay? If we actually go back to here, which is mid-2022, the wedge may slightly be extended. All right, you can notice that one too. So this is a slightly lower curve than we just pointed out, but still these higher lows have continued to hold up here. Tapping here, essentially coming not all the way back down here, tapping here on this sell-off back down to 43 cents, and potentially gonna wedge into this area for a little while longer. And of course, that's going to be about a 6-month extension there. So watch that, dude. I would say you're at least in good territory right now with major levels of support continuing to hold up for XRP. That's a positive sign. I hope it takes off, though, man. I hope it takes off and people get to see some massive gains. AMC days are long gone, Batman. Oh, man. New faces, new names, nothing the same. I'll be back for my wrench. All right, man. Come on back for it. They have an integration with this company where you can buy and sell your crypto without ever having to touch an exchange. Dark Bro, they're probably taking huge fees, though, if they are. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? What's a good side for fish sticks or fried fish besides the obvious? What's the obvious, man? What's the obvious? A good side? I don't know. What's the obvious there? See you later, man. Mozzarella sticks with fish sticks pudgy. There you go. Just go all the sticks. Just go all the sticks. Get some breadsticks, get some mozzarella sticks, get some fish sticks in there. What other kind of sticks do we have? I don't even know what other kind of sticks are there. Technically, you do a pretzel stick if you wanted to do a pretzel stick. What other kind of sticks are there? Fish sticks and mozzarella sticks. Now I don't even know. All sticks dinner. That actually sounds pretty good, man. Just all sticks dinner. Lima beans. Oh, man, I don't know about that. Cantaloupe or watermelon, pork and beans. You guys, everybody's liking the beans in here right now. My mom used to make the best lima bean soup. See, I'm not a big lima bean. I'm not a huge bean fan myself, but guys seem to really love the lima beans. Will you be streaming the announcement? Caesar, I am going to try. So I do plan on working on my tractor in between the live streams here. I want to see if my motor's locked up. I want to see if it's a starter. I want to test a couple more things before I go out and buy some parts or completely give up on it. But I do plan on doing that. Of course, if I've got grease all over my hands and stuff and don't want to come up here and set the stream up, I certainly won't be, on camera during the Federal Reserve announcement. But if you guys want to hang out and you want to watch the FOMC press conference and all of that stuff, I could try to get it set up so that the live stream's playing and you guys can watch all that. Clay, we ever hit us with an ad? Did you? No, I didn't hit you with an ad today. You guys need to do a better job of reminding me, man. You're very good at asking questions and you're very good at keeping the chat going, but you're very bad at reminding me about putting an ad in at the halfway point. Clear out. Check out the link I posted in the supporters chat. Let's see. Ramp Web3 financial infrastructure. Buy and sell crypto. Allow users to buy and sell crypto without leaving your app or wallet. Buy and sell crypto directly on our website. Dark Bro, do you have to KYC to use that? That's technically not a bad idea, right? Because what I think that they would theoretically be doing is you connect your wallet to their website after you KYC on their website. Because you got to KYC to get fiat, man. You got to KYC to get fiat. If you KYC on their website, connect your wallet to their website, theoretically, yeah, you could essentially go in there and trade everything directly from your wallet. They would have access to it and all that stuff. If they're new, I'd be careful with it. I don't know how safe they are. Somebody could seemingly go in there and hack everybody that was on that website if they wanted to. But yeah, if you're KYCing on there, I absolutely think you could do that. I don't know yet. I haven't done much research into it, but they have integration with Ledger, Trust Wallet, and a whole bunch of different ones. I will definitely be looking into it a lot more. Yeah, Dark Bro, it looks legitimate. As long as you're KYCing, I think people are going to get in trouble, man, if they're able to cash out and these exchanges that are doing it don't know their customer. That's the whole issue with it. Claudio did remind you at the halfway point, but you missed it. Oh, man. Claudio, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Oh, man. I like it. Oh. Where's my cursor? Claudio, I'm sorry. Should have reminded me again. But thank you very much for reminding me. It's my bad. I guess I'm going to have to skip the 30 cents on that one. Darn it, man. Darn it. Next time, Claudio, remind me again tomorrow. What's your view on Lunk right now? Danger zone. Danger zone, Aru. My view on Terra Luna Classic right now is danger. I believe that the risk outweighs the current reward at the moment. I think that we are headed down a path where people are going to be leaving because they don't get paychecks. That's me personally and my thoughts on Terra Luna Classic. I hope that I'm wrong, but I truly do believe that Terra Luna Classic is in the danger zone right now. JB, thank you very much for the super chat. Have your 30. Boom, boom, pow, baby. Forget that ad. JB says, take that 30 cents. I love it. JB, man, thank you very much. Dude, I was all upset, and then you go do something like that and completely redeem yourself. Thank you very much. JB hitting everybody with a free ad. I love it. JB, man, thank you very much for that. No, really, I mean, that does cover the ad right there. It really does. JB, man, appreciate you, dude. So hope the news is good today. The world needs some positive turnaround. That it does, Robbie. That it does. I can't believe this dude just stepped up and gave everybody. Oh, man, it's like I hit everybody with an ad. I like it. JB's killing it. I had two choices, die a hero or live long enough to become a villain. I chose the latter, and this crowd is due for their punishment. Don't punish me, though, man. Don't punish me. Am I due for a punishment, too? That's the way it is out here. Preston, given a.k.a. Press. What now? Preston Givens, a.k.a. Press. What's going on, Press? That's the way it is out here. It's the way it is out where, man? It's the way it is out what, danger zone? We're all in a danger zone, or what? You already had said that we will be here if it slips below 1,000 points per coin. So that was expected. Yeah, man. Yeah. I actually expect us to be tempting the lower fives or potentially 4,500 points per coin. But, dude, we're in no man's land if we go below that. We're definitely in no man's land. So the SEC not being able to mess with Binance, that is good news for crypto in general, but especially with XRP, right? Potentially, it is good news in general, right? I think what we're seeing here is the SEC just getting schooled left and right. I don't know why it would be so much better for XRP than other coins, but unless you're considering, the SEC just losing one battle after the other, and therefore they're not going to be able to win against XRP and Ripple as well, then I would say yes, you're right on that one. But I don't know how much Binance really has to do with XRP. Michael Allen! Mike, man. Dark bro doing research. SEC. Clay's dripless shirt. Whatever that means. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump, baby. Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for that super chirp. Thank you very much for that super chirp there, Merc. Appreciate you on that one. But what is a dripless shirt? I don't know what a dripless shirt is, but I like the sound of it. You said they sell them because of not having a job. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, Preston, man. That's the way it is out here. It is. No, it's true. It's true. So if they don't continue to get paid, I think that a lot of people are going to sell off. So I think good time to expand my holdings for the news. I bought everything low. Robbie, that's the tough part, man. I'm hoping for good news today, but I expect volatility today. So I don't know what Jerome Powell's going to be coming at. It's if you're more conservative, I would not buy in before a Fed announcement. If you're more aggressive, okay, you can buy in before a Fed announcement. I am actually leaning more towards an interest rate, like interest rates remaining the same, or possibly a hike. I don't think there's a chance that interest rates get lowered today. So I would be leaning more towards the sign of caution today, because I think that we're either going to see consensus correct or we're going to see a rate hike. I don't think we're going to see a decrease. I don't know how good the news could technically be. Unless, of course, man, he comes out and he's smiling. And he's like, dude, everybody's going to have a beautiful Christmas. It's going to be nice and the bros are going to be happy. Then buy. Combo, thank you. Combo, I see you. I thank you for the mustache. Combo, thank you very much for the mustache. Combo, thank you. Combo, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Appreciate all the super chats today, guys. Absolutely amazing. But it is past 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. Hopefully, we're coming back around 2:30 Eastern Time, an hour and a half from now. I should be streaming the Federal Reserve interest rate decision and the announcement there. If you guys want to come back, hang out in the chat for a while, and see Jerome Powell talking. I'm not going to be on the screen. Most likely going to be outside trying to fix that tractor, seeing what's going on with it. But if you guys want to hang out and watch JP, you absolutely can, man. Right now, we'll do the shoutouts, and we will be back later. We got Next Level Robbie, man. See you later. Home of Chess Academy, Scholastic Chess, man. Enjoy your day. Michael Allen. Mike, man, see you later. Robbie, we got Giovanni Combo. See you. Robbie, Internet. No, his name is Dark Bro, not Internet. Dark Bro, man. See you later. Gorilla, enjoy it. We got Dark Bro, JB, Next Level, Old Rounder, Aru Basu. Giovanni, till the next time. Oh, yes, man. Gorilla, Robbie, JB, all of you guys. We want a tractor live stream, not a JB live stream. I mean, theoretically, I could take the ring light downstairs and put it in the garage and do a tractor live stream. Yes. And, you know, I really think you guys would prefer a tractor live stream as opposed to a Jerome Powell live stream. It would probably get much more interaction than a Jerome Powell live stream was. Ivan, man, see you later. SD, later, everybody. Dark Bro, see you later. Next Level, Dark Bro. I almost called him Eggplant this time. What the heck is going on? All of you guys, you know what time it is. You know what. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Combo! Thank you very much for the super chat. Combo says, for Claybro's new mower fund. Thank you very much, Combo. I am hoping that this motor is not locked up, and I do not need a new motor. But if I do, thank you very much for the new mower fund. Absolutely appreciate that super chat, man. Shout out to Combo, JB, Robbie, Dark Bro, Caesar, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.